Hi everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Crafty Flosstube. Today we are back for day 3 of the 7 days of spring soiree, and yesterday I drew the rainbow crochet jumper. So let me show you where I got up to. I finished the bottom band, so that was that bit. So I finished all of that, and I finished the sleeve, but I just have to still got to sew on all the ends, and I've started the cuff. So I only got one sleeve done, and then yeah, I'm just got to finish the cuff and start the other sleeve. So I'm happy with that progress, and I should be able to get that finished. Just got to put some time into it. So that's where I got up to. Now let's draw another project. Let's have a look. So, the transparent embroidery. So, let me go and grab it. This was from last year. I didn't get it finished. So, give me 2 seconds and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the kit. And show you. So, that's the instructions. This is hard to show because it's transparent, but this is where I got up to. So all I've got left to do is all the leaves and the French knots. So this will be what I'm going to be working on today, and hopefully we can get this finished. It's so pretty. It's very hard to see because it's see-through. But this is what I will be working on. So, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye!